Hi, hello everyone. This is Asha. Welcome to our YouTube channel Tech My Head. So we are planning for a new series on job updates. So through this series, we will be posting all the videos on job openings across India, and I will be disclosing all the details regarding the jobs and the apply links. So before going into this video, I would like to request one thing. So those who haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, please do subscribe to never miss any update regarding job updates, placement information, interview experiences, etc. So please do subscribe, and if you like this video, please share this video with your friends. So job update 1 is from Google. So Google announced an internship opportunity for the students who are currently pursuing bachelor's degree in information technology or information systems or computer science related branch. So if you are a third year student who is currently pursuing the bachelor degree in any of those mentioned branches, you are eligible for this internship. So what you will need to do is you need to have an updated resume or CV with you, and along with that you must possess good technical skills and good knowledge in programming languages, etc. So you must possess with all these requirements, and I will be providing a link in the description. So through that you can navigate to the careers page of Google. So there you will find all the requirements, all the eligibility criteria, and the apply link. So if you would like to apply for Google's internship, and if you are processing all these requirements, you can apply for the internship, and the stipend and the location details aren't mentioned. So once you are cleared the written test or whatever they give you, if you apply, if you are eligible for interview, in the interview they might disclose the location details and the stipend details too. So job update 2 is from Jio. So Jio announced multiple job openings across India for different job roles like business operations, information technology, sales and distribution, customer support, and many other job roles. So the CTC for, the salary for different job roles will be different, and the requirements and qualifications are mentioned in the website. So I have provided a link in the description. So by clicking on the link, you will be navigated to careers website of Jio. So there you will be finding all the job openings for the different job roles. So when you click on a specific job role, you will be displayed with all the requirements, eligibility criteria, qualifications and all. So if you meet those qualifications, and if you are willing to apply, so you can apply there. The job update 3 is for IBM. So IBM announced job openings for software developer role in Bangalore. So if you are willing to work for IBM in job role of software developer, you can apply for this. So the qualifications is you should have a master's degree or a bachelor's degree, and the experience can be 0 or 1. Your experience can be between 0 to 1 years. So if you are with that experience of 0 to 1, you can apply for the job. And apart from that, the CTC is not disclosed. So I have provided the link. If you click on the link, you will be redirected to the IBM page. So when you are applying for the job, there will be a caution that they are going to ask you, that is, if you are willing to get all the job related information to your mail or not. So if you check that, you will be getting the further details regarding the job openings. Though you are not selected for this job role, you can get another job openings in the future also through mail. So you can get updates from the IBM itself. So once you check on the option, you will get the future updates regarding job openings at IBM. Job update 4 is from Amazon. So Amazon has job openings at Chennai. The job role is Quality Assurance Associate. So the candidate who is willing to apply for this job role must possess good communication skills, and he or she should be good at Excel and MS Office tools. And the salary package is 2.25 LPA, and the experience can be 0 to 1 years. If though you are a fresher, you can apply for it, or if you are having experience less than 1 year, also you can apply for it. Basically, this is from Naukri website. So I have provided a link here. So when you click on this link, you will be redirected to Naukri, where the details were displayed. So the job role is Quality Assurance Associate. It is a non-technical role. So if you are willing to work for a non-technical role, this is the best one you can go for. And the salary is also not a less one, 2.25 LPA, and it is also from Amazon, so you can look at it. Job update 5 is from HP. So HP has job openings at Bangalore. So the job role they are asking for is Java developer. So the guys who are willing to apply for this role should be good at Java and also possess good analytical and problem solving skills. And the experience can be 0 to 2 years. Though you are a fresher or experience less than 2 years, you can apply for it. And the CTC or the salary is haven't disclosed yet. So I think when you apply for this job and you are shortlisted for interview, you might get the details in the interview. I think so. If you are willing to apply for this, you must possess these qualifications, and also you should have a master's or bachelor's degree in order to apply for this. And though you are a fresher, you can apply for it, as I told before, and the link is given in the description. So when you click on the link, you will be directed to the careers page of HP. So there you can find this job. I think here also, just like IBM, HP will also give you updates regarding their job openings through mail if you subscribe to the in the email, I think so. So maybe if you are not shortlisted this for this role, you may get another job openings through email also, I think so. So try applying for this.